Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of naturally high protein foods. Let's get started. First up, we've got the humble egg. One large egg packs about 6 grams of protein, making it a perfect start to your day. And the beauty of eggs is their versatility. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, bake them. The possibilities are endless. Add some spinach and feta for a protein-packed omelet, or whip up a quick frittata for a satisfying lunch. Season your eggs with herbs, spices, even a dash of hot sauce if you like it fiery. Eggs can be part of a healthy diet. They're packed with essential nutrients, and they'll keep you feeling fuller for longer. So, don't be afraid to crack open a few extra eggs. Your body will thank you for it. Next up, we have a true champion of the protein world, chicken breast. A 3-ounce serving packs a whopping 26 grams of protein, making it a top contender for building and repairing muscle. But let's not be boring about it. Marinate it, grill it, roast it, even shred it for tacos. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your seasonings and sauces to add a punch of flavor. And remember, cooking chicken to the right temperature is crucial. Use a meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked through to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed meal, reach for the chicken breast. Just promise me you'll cook it right. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt, a true hero in the protein department. A single serving can pack up to 20 grams of protein depending on the brand, making it a fantastic choice for breakfast, lunch, or even a post-workout snack. You can enjoy it plain, top it with fruit and granola for a breakfast parfait, or use it as a base for smoothies and dips. We want plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Mix in some honey and chopped nuts for a satisfying snack, or blend it with berries and spinach for a protein-packed smoothie. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Listen up, vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Lentils, those tiny but mighty legumes, are a plant-based protein source that deserves a place on your plate. 1 cup of cooked lentils packs a whopping 18 grams of protein, along with a healthy dose of fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Lentils are like the chameleons of the culinary world, adapting to any flavor profile you throw at them. Toss them in soups, stews, salads, or even use them as a base for veggie burgers. One of my favorite ways to enjoy lentils is in a hearty lentil soup with vegetables. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Listen up, you snack fiends. Put down the crisps, step away from the processed junk, and reach for a handful of almonds instead. A 1/4 cup serving boasts around 6 grams of protein, along with healthy fats and fiber to keep you satisfied and energized. Almonds are incredibly convenient. Keep a bag in your car, your desk drawer, or your gym bag for a quick and easy protein boost whenever hunger strikes. Enjoy them roasted, salted, or spiced for a satisfying crunch. Add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies for a protein and flavor boost. Cottage cheese, that humble dairy product often relegated to the back of the fridge, is making a comeback, and for good reason. This protein-packed powerhouse is ready to reclaim its rightful place in your diet. A 1/2 cup serving of cottage cheese can pack a whopping 14 grams of protein, making it a fantastic choice for breakfast, lunch, or a post-workout snack. Today's cottage cheese is creamy, delicious, and ready to be incorporated into countless dishes. Enjoy it for breakfast with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey, or blend it into smoothies for a protein boost. Use it as a base for dips and spreads, or incorporate it into savory dishes like lasagna and stuffed peppers for a protein boost. You might be surprised at how much you love this protein-packed powerhouse. Listen up, quinoa is not a side dish. It's a complete protein powerhouse that deserves a starring role in your diet. This ancient grain, often mistaken for a rice or couscous, is a nutritional superstar, boasting all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. 1 cup of cooked quinoa packs a respectable 8 grams of protein, along with fiber and iron. Use it as a base for grain bowls, stuff it into bell peppers for a healthy and satisfying meal, or toss it into salads for a protein boost. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is in a Mediterranean-inspired salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, feta cheese, and a lemon herb vinaigrette. Very delicious, I promise you will like it. Listen up, seafood lovers. Tuna, that mighty denizen of the deep, isn't just delicious, it's a protein powerhouse that deserves a place on your plate. This lean fish is packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, and a 3-ounce serving can deliver a whopping 20 grams of protein, making it a top contender for muscle building and repair. Think outside the can. Sear fresh tuna steaks to perfection and serve them with a side of roasted vegetables for a restaurant-quality meal. Flake canned tuna into salads for a protein boost, or use it to make flavorful tuna patties. That will put those dry, bland hockey pucks to shame. And don't forget about tuna salad. Ditch the mayonnaise overload and opt for a lighter, brighter version with Greek yogurt, herbs, and chopped vegetables. And that, in combination with tuna, is just fish-tastic. Listen up, snack enthusiasts. Put down the potato chips and step away from the processed junk food. It's time to discover the fun and flavorful world of edamame, those vibrant green soybeans that are packed with protein and bursting with flavor. 1 cup of cooked edamame boasts an impressive 17 grams of protein, along with fiber and essential nutrients. Steam them, boil them, or microwave them until tender. Then sprinkle them with sea salt or your favorite seasonings for a satisfying and healthy snack. Add them to salads for a protein boost, toss them into stir-fries for a pop of color and flavor, or incorporate them into dips and spreads for a nutritional upgrade. Or, put them in a well-known dish, poke bowls. You can even add tuna or chicken like from the previous subjects. Listen up, you pumpkin spice fanatics. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds after carving your jack-o'-lanterns. Those little seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. A 1/4 cup serving of pumpkin seeds boasts an impressive 9 grams of protein, making them a fantastic snack for a quick energy boost or a post-workout refuel. Roast them with your favorite spices for a warm and comforting treat. Sprinkle them on salads for a nutritional boost, or incorporate them into trail mixes for a satisfying crunch. So ditch the sugary pumpkin spice lattes and embrace the natural goodness of pumpkin seeds. But thanks for watching. We hope you found this list of high-protein foods helpful. Remember, eating a diet rich in protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes. See you next time.